Alex here with a legal nuts and bolts video on Qui Tam lawsuits. This is going to be a super short video. I did research on this a long time ago and I never did one of these myself. It's just going to be a video that lets people know that this exists, it's a thing, and I'm just going to end it right after that. I was quite surprised to find out that a regular person can sue another person or a company on behalf of the government. It's called a Qui Tam lawsuit. It's my general understanding of it is that it's also called a whistleblower lawsuit. It's that it allows you to sue where you can show that the government was defrauded in some way. And there's actually law firms out there that just like, this is all they do. It's pretty crazy. Anyway, you sue on behalf of the government, and if you can prove that a person or a business entity has defrauded the government, you recover damages for the government, but you get to keep a percentage of it as sort of I guess a commission to the person who did all the work for the government. There's all kinds of wild and crazy ways that the different 50 states deal with Qui Tam lawsuits and how the federal government deals with it as well. For example, in some states, you have to give the government like a sealed copy or a sealed version of the petition that you're going to file before you file it, to give them an opportunity to decide if they want to just take up the case themselves, in which case you can't get involved at all. You have to sort of hope that they decline, and then if they do, then you can file the suit for yourself, and you can collect the percentages of the monies that you're entitled to. In other states, like Nevada, is quite different. It allows you to file it right away, and then the government has a certain amount of time to intervene and participate. But unlike the other state, I can't even remember which one it was, maybe California. Anyway, unlike that state, in Nevada, even if the government does get involved, you still get to stay on as a party, and you still get to sort of have a say in how it goes, and you still get to collect a percentage. You just don't get to collect as much as you would have gotten to collect if the government declined to get involved in the case. I'm really not going to go any more into it. I thought it was a pretty fascinating thing out there. I guess there's like a full Latin phrase for it, and it's something about to bring suit on behalf of the crown or the king or something like that. Anyway, no need to get into the Latin. All you need to know is that it allows an average regular person to sue on behalf of the government. Curious now whether it can even be done in proper person. It might not be able to. Who knows? I'm not going to do any research on it. If anyone else here wants to look into it, that'd be really cool. But I'm not going to really go into it anymore because I highly doubt anyone here is actually going to do this. But at the very least, it's a topic to talk about. And so with that, I'll go ahead and end this video.